So, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. There's a new headline, there's a new breakthrough. There's a new something that just completely shifts our perspective on what technology can do. And right now the conversation is all about AI. We've moved past the point of it being a niche, futuristic concept. It's here, getting integrated into the tools we use every day. And it's evolving at a pace that's almost hard to keep up with. It's no longer just about smarter assistants on our phones. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how work gets done across countless industries. This rapid rise isn't just a cool tech demo anymore, it's actively reshaping the job landscape. We're seeing tools that can write, tools that can design, tools that can code, tools that can even create videos. All with a level of sophistication that was pure science fiction a few years ago. This naturally brings up the big question. What does this mean for jobs? The conversation is shifting from if to how and when. Alright, so first up, we have to start with the one that kicked this whole mainstream conversation into overdrive, ChatGPT. At its core, it's a large language model, or LLM, developed by OpenAI, but calling it just a chatbot feels like a massive understatement. The sheer versatility is what makes it so powerful. It can understand context, it can generate human-like text, it can translate languages, it can write creative content, it can answer your questions. Initially, the most obvious application was customer service. Many of those were powered by simpler bots, but ChatGPT takes it to another level. Side by side, a human-written email versus an AI-generated one. It can handle complex queries, it can understand user frustration, it can provide detailed, coherent solutions 24/7. This lets a smaller team handle only escalations while AI handles the majority, a large customer service team shrinking to a few specialized agents. But it doesn't stop there. Content creation is huge. You can feed ChatGPT a few bullet points and it can flesh out an entire article. Of course, it still needs human fact-checking. It needs editing. It needs a unique human voice. This extends into the corporate world, writing emails, drafting reports, creating presentations, generating meeting summaries. ChatGPT can automate much administrative and communicative work. It's like a super-powered assistant for every employee. Administrative assistants, communications coordinators, the ability to automate language tasks is undeniable. Roles that generate or process text are first in line for a major shakeup. It's not just replacing jobs wholesale, but augmenting them so one person can do the work of many. ChatGPT is the foundational piece in this new AI-driven landscape. Next up, let's talk about the visual side of things with Midjourney. If ChatGPT changed the game for text, Midjourney did the same for images. This is an AI image generator that turns simple text prompts into incredibly detailed images. Within a minute, it gives you 4 different interpretations. The quality and creativity are mind-blowing. This has sent a massive shockwave through the creative industries, particularly graphic design and concept art. That process takes time and costs money. Now, with Midjourney, a marketing manager can generate dozens of high-quality images in an afternoon. Tweak prompts. Lower the barrier to entry. Demand for stock photography is impacted. Entry-level design for simple logos or social posts is diminishing. Why hire a junior when AI produces a dozen options fast? Designers aren't obsolete, but roles are shifting. Creative direction, prompt engineering, curation, less manual tool skill, more vision, changing the economics of creative work. Okay, so if ChatGPT is the all-purpose language tool, think of Jasper AI as its highly specialized cousin, laser-focused on marketing and sales copy. While ChatGPT can do marketing copy, Jasper was built for this. Templates for ads, blogs, persuasive newsletters, and entire campaigns. This is a big deal because copywriting is both an art and a science. It's about understanding psychology. It's about grabbing attention. It's about persuading someone to take action. Clicking a link, buying a product, signing up for a service. Companies invest huge amounts. Jasper aims to automate a huge portion. For a launch, website copy, product descriptions, a series of emails, social announcements, ad variations, blog posts. This would involve multiple writers and take weeks. With Jasper, a single marketing manager can generate drafts in hours. The implications for marketing jobs are clear. Junior copywriters, content writers, social media managers. Jasper can produce high volume quickly. It might not have the unique spark of a world-class copywriter, but for day-to-day content it's good enough. The role shifts to strategy, audience analysis, and editing to match brand voice. The marketer becomes editor-in-chief. For pure wordsmiths, Jasper is a competitor that doesn't sleep. It doesn't get writer's block. It can outproduce them by an order of magnitude. Now we're moving from text and images into a realm that feels even more like science fiction: video. Synthesia lets you create professional-looking videos with AI-powered avatars from just a text script. You choose an avatar, type what you want them to say, select a language and voice. The platform generates a video of that avatar speaking your script. This challenges traditional production. Historically, even simple talking heads needed actors, studios, lights, cameras, audio, editing. With Synthesia, it's a few clicks. Create polished training in many languages. Update by editing text. Massive efficiency and cost saving. Impacts on-screen talent, videographers, sound engineers, lighting. When the shoot is a server render, physical crews aren't needed for these use cases. This won't replace Hollywood or high-end commercials soon. Human emotion and cinematography still matter. But for functional business video, it's a game changer. So we talked about Midjourney, but we have to talk about its sibling from OpenAI, DALL-E, integrated into ChatGPT+, another powerhouse. Midjourney is praised for stylized output. DALL-E has strides in coherence in generating text within images, crucial for commercial use. Prompt: a minimalist product shot, morning rush. DALL-E can generate the image and branding on the product itself. Encroaches on advertising agencies and commercial illustrators, mock-ups, posters with taglines, spot illustrations, allowing rapid prototyping or final assets. Ad agencies might spend days on concepts, with DALL-E hundreds in an hour. Test taglines, colors, compositions. Accelerates creative process but reduces billable hours and junior concept workloads. Circling back to text. We have Copy.ai. It's an AI marketing writing assistant that emphasizes short-form ad copy, social media posts, and tools to brainstorm, write, and repurpose. For Facebook, for Instagram, for LinkedIn, and other platforms, built for speed and volume. A social media manager's job is a content treadmill. Fresh ideas daily, captions, tailoring, interacting. It requires energy and time. Copy.ai automates ideation and drafting. It generates post ideas, captions, hashtags, and calls to action, a lifesaver for small businesses. For larger companies, one manager can handle more accounts or more A/B tests. Efficiency forces a reevaluation of team structures. If AI handles daily drafting, what is the human role? Shift to strategy, community management, analytics, and trend spotting. The writing part shrinks. Copy.ai excels at ad variations. Testing headlines and body text used to be tedious. Now, dozens of variations in minutes enable better performance. Alright, let's shift to software development. Then came GitHub Copilot, an AI pair programmer inside your editor. Trained on billions of lines, it has a broad understanding. It writes boilerplate, helps with new libraries, and suggests algorithmic solutions. Massive productivity boost. Tasks in minutes versus hours. More features with the same team. If everyone is 30–50% more productive, do you need as many developers? Particularly impacts juniors. Entry work like repetitive code, API learning, and simple bug fixes. Copilot excels at these. A powerful set of training wheels, but it automates the learning ground. It may make it harder for juniors, and companies may hire fewer, more senior developers. Augmentation bordering on automation. Not full system architecting, but superb at line by line. The job shifts to high-level design and guiding AI suggestions. We've talked about AI generating video. What about editing? That's where Descript comes in. Edit media by editing text, like a Word document. Overdub creates a TTS model of your voice. Fix flubs by typing, remove and with a click, and Studio Sound improves audio. Automates tedious edits in minutes. Creators handle editing themselves, impacting freelancers. Editors move up to storytelling, pacing, sound, color, and motion. This next one ventures into a personal, human-centric field. Companionship, mental wellness support. Replika is an AI chatbot designed to be a personal companion. Create an avatar, name it, talk about anything. It learns, mimics style, and provides a supportive space. While it's not a replacement for professional therapy, it borders on therapeutic support. Users talk about their day, hopes, fears, struggles. AI is empathetic and encouraging. It touches on therapists, counselors, life coaches at the lighter end. AI is 24/7, patient and cheaper, raising complex questions. Ethical questions, human connection, over-reliance, data privacy. Unlikely to replace licensed therapists for serious conditions soon. But AI companions are changing how people seek support, creating a new subclinical category that may reduce demand for certain services. AI beginning to automate not just tasks but relationships. Finally, Pictory, takes long-form content and turns it into short, shareable videos, analyzes, picks highlights, matches stock, overlays text, adds music. Traditional repurposing is manual and slow, Pictory automates it. Paste a URL for script. Visuals. Video or upload video and auto-pull shareable moments, output vertical with captions. Direct impact on editors and social repurposers. Creators now generate dozens of clips in under an hour. The job isn't gone, but it's compressed. So there you have it. 10 AI tools. Here now, changing how work gets done and automating tasks once entire jobs. From writing, design, coding, video editing, the scope is expanding fast. The key takeaway isn't that robots take all jobs tomorrow, but that roles are shifting. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment. Which tool surprised you? Will this trend accelerate? Or will new jobs emerge? As always, thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It's been A, and I'll catch you in the next one.